Our next step is to set up a Postgres database we can use locally. There are a few options here. We could potentially use a third-party managed service, in other words, have our Postgres database in the cloud. This is, of course, what we'll need to do for production environments. Our website will be in the cloud, so our database will have to be in the cloud. But for local development environments, I really like having the database locally. This means you can run migrations against it, try things out without being scared that you're going to screw anyone else up. In order to do that, we're going to use Docker. You can get the application you'll need, Docker Desktop, here. If you click on Choose Plan, it will send you to a scary pricing page, but you really just need the personal. Once you've created an account and then downloaded Docker Desktop, you'll have an application that looks like this. And once you see this in front of you, you're ready for the next step. Inside the repository, you will see a .env.example file. This file acts as a template for all of the secret API keys and things we're going to use inside our application. We're going to copy this file and then paste it as just .env. .env here is git ignored. That means that anything inside this file won't be sent up to GitHub, in other words, available publicly. So this file is safe for you to put sensitive information in, like API keys to paid services. Crucially, inside this .env file, we have a database URL. This database URL assumes that the database is running on localhost 5432 at the database AI app template. To create this database, I've given you a reusable script called startdatabase.sh. It's asking us whether we should generate a random password. I'll press Y, and it's created a database container AI app template Postgres. I've already run this before, so your logs may look different from mine. For instance, you may see the Docker image for Postgres being downloaded to your system. You'll know if this worked if you go back to Docker Desktop and there's a container called AI app template, or rather AI app template Postgres. It should be started, indicated by this little green icon, and inside your .env file here, the database URL may now have a random password. And just like that, we've set up Postgres on our system and created a .env file, which is where our secrets are going to live. Nice work, and I will see you in the next one.